Morning everybody, 6:30 on a Friday and we are off to the Cedarburg. Bike's basically packed. Nice day. I'll take you down here. And show you Travis's focal seal, focal oil seal stain. Very scientific oil reduction job yesterday afternoon. Still trying to get the oil out of my eyes and my ears. Anyway, so today it is light southeaster blowing and no rain in sight, so off to the Cedarburg and all the way up to Nivotville apparently. Nice long ride for Travis. I think he likes more than 400 kilometers of dirt in one day with no time to talk.
Okay.
Cheers boys, good ride. Want to put fuel in?
You put fuel in? You fucking...
Oh, you reckon to put fuel in? Huh? It's a 990, fuel in. Sounds good. Cheers boys.
Cheers, AJ.
So this is the traffic leaving Cape Town. On our way to meet Keith and then Rory in Wellington and hit Bainscliff Pass, first mission. But first we've got to navigate through this treacherous traffic story. So I'm standing right now because I think it's much safer, people can see more of you, you know? Yeah. Friday morning commute. How the fuck do people do this every day? I have no idea. This is now, I don't know, 7 kilometers we've been going through this. Another 4 or 5, depending on your turn off, maybe 7 kilometers to go before the traffic eases up a bit. Fuck that. So much for staying at home after COVID. Can you believe it? What kind of bike is it again?
How far have we gone?
About 0 kilometers. What can you say about this?
Oh my god, dat toolkit sounds like this. The Land Rover toolkit sounds like it. This is fucking last time it was a battery. And then let's just go and fetch the KTM, the 690. Problem solved. At least with the KTM if it breaks you know. You can see the oil coming out. and pour the oil out. You know?
Good idea.
On the one side and then on the other side. But I need some strong people to help me
Pick it back up.
back up again, you know? So all the oil runs out. Okay? So best I wait until the support crew comes.
So here we are in Ceres, and Travis has snuck across the road to do this. And he thought he could get away with it by doing it in the shade, away from everybody. It's not a support group, it's the camera crew. Fuck's going on here?
We're playing a fork oil, Bob.
How many milliliters are you taking out? Are you measuring?
That's slow, eh? It's not really slow. I thought I would get more coming out, though.
Yeah. This is like proper science, eh?
Yeah.
Turn it the other way.
That makes no sense. It's exactly the same angle.
Not, man. That was lower than that one.
It's about the angle, not the how low it is.
It's not the angle. It's about how low it is. Look at that one dripping out.
Explain to me how that
And
side
look
is different.
And look at this one's not coming out at all. Luckily, it's fuel dripping out. Actually, don't get.
Don't take too much out.
See what it's like. Do the Canada Aces while we have breakfast.
What's the worst that can happen, Martin?
That's not nice, man. Definitely a finest moment, eh? You know what we're gonna do now, eh?
What's that?
Keith and Dylan, just crank on that, pull it out for me, the front. Compress the.
So yesterday, it's on the center stand. He's like, jump on the bike and compress it. So I'm over the bike
That's
like
quite a
this,
bit's come out now.
with absolutely no cloth.
Try
on
that.
it.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah, but leave it now
Yeah, right, that one.
and
I'll
see,
stand over here.
and then do some more.
Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's quite a bit's come out. Eh?
Half a liter misschien.
Fucking once in a smoke like fuck.
And again. 1, 2, 3.
It's a good job he doesn't use his front brakes on the gravel.
It's very scientific because now
Perfectly balanced.
perfectly balanced.
Perfect.
Came out evenly.
Because I'm a little bit stronger than Travis, but generally perfectly balanced.
Generally, it's fine.
Yes. All right. Well, with that, we'll leave it there, ladies and gentlemen.
You're not looking that convincing, eh, Dylan? I think you haven't been on the bike for a long time. Mark, you look like ET now. With that hairstyle, with that thing like a.
loose.
Yeah, I can feel it catching when I stand up. When I was supposed to stand.
Rory says the strap is loose. The strap is not tied, man.
No, when I was trying to stand up, it was catching.
When he stands up, it catches on his torty. What that means, eh?
What does it mean?
Moed verloor. All hope is lost.
Okay, well, don't give up hope.
So this must be like proper tough, this route you're taking us
Taking you
on.
on a proper adventure.
This is a proper route. Because if it's called that, you must know. Dylan, you agree?
I agree, sir. Yeah, definitely.
Sounds easy, Mark. The name sounds easy. Walk in the park, dude.
Are you worried now?
Nah.